Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do a quick technical analysis on a low cap AI token that I want to bring to your attention because it's currently at range lows. So subscribe to the channel and click the like button and let's get straight into it. As you see here, this token is Unmarshal AI. The ticker is MARSH. I made another video on this recently, so if you want to know more about the project as a whole, go watch my other video. Let's do some quick technical analysis here. What do we see? MARSH on TradingView. The chart that we are looking at is MARSH USDT daily chart. And as you see here, we have a huge structure going on. Back in 2021, MARSH put an all-time high that's located at $5.50. And since then, people took profits. That was the distribution phase. And then after that, we entered the markdown phase, where price action breaks below the daily 200 simple moving average, and then keeps moving below the 200 SMA. That's the markdown phase. But after the markdown phase, what do we have, guys? You should know that theory. After the markdown phase, we have accumulation phase. So this is basically our accumulation, where price consolidates. And then after the accumulation phase, what do we expect to see? We expect to see a markup phase. And the markup phase is when the price action breaks above the 200 moving average and then keeps bouncing above it, moving higher and higher every time. This is the markup phase. We have markdown, accumulation, markup, and then again distribution, markdown, accumulation, markup. That's the cycle that all tokens experience. Now, if we zoom in, you see that this token is currently at range lows. If this is our accumulation range, that's ranging between this area around here, let me show you, that's ranging between, let's say, this area and this area, let's say approximately, we see that the price action is currently at range lows in the accumulation phase, if our accumulation phase is all that. So that might be a very nice opportunity for us traders and investors to start scaling in. Now, if we zoom in even more, we see that MARSH recently pulled a nice move all the way up here to this level of 0.11. And since then, people took profits and it has been trading down, forming this falling wedge pattern. This is a bullish pattern. It has a 70 to 75% chance of breaking to the upside. And in the recent past, we saw the price action getting rejected here, 3 times. So this yellow key level of resistance is legit, is kind of valid. We have gotten rejected here 3 times. So this is a very valid key level of resistance. However, what do you see? We see that today we had a break above this. And this is very bullish, guys, because this candle looks like it managed to close above that yellow key level of resistance. That's very bullish. It means that there is a very high chance, it's very possible, that we have turned that previous key level of resistance into a support. So this might be a very good time for us now to start scaling in. You might want to consider scaling in now, buying the breakout. Now, if you want to play this in a more safe manner, because this can easily turn to a fake out on the weekly chart, something like this. If the price action moves back inside the triangle, we have to assume that the price action is going to continue moving inside the triangle. But now, we had a nice breakout. So we don't know what the price action is going to do next. We might see something like this and then a continuation move to the upside, or we might come back inside, or we might see a nice move here or on this target, an explosive move since we managed to close above it. What I would do is I would wait a little bit to get a confirmation from this next candle that we broke above this pattern. Now, as you see here, we have this 200 simply moving average. This is going to continue moving, and what we want to see is we want this to start trending upwards sometime in the future. And also on top of that, what we want to see is that we want the price to start creeping up as close as it can to this 200 simply moving average. And then what we want to see is a breakout above the 200 moving average. Breakout, maybe a retest, and then it's going to keep bouncing above it, moving upwards. This is going to be very bullish. The breakout above the 200 moving average is going to be very bullish for this token. So for now, what we are trying to do is, because the 200 simple moving average, the daily, works as a magnet, it's very possible that the price action is going to come back here. Now, we don't know if we're going to get a breakout or if we're going to get rejected. But for now, we basically front run the move to the 200 simple moving average. Keep this in your mind. It's very important. The real bullish move, in my view, is going to happen after we break above the 200 simple moving average. Now, the measured move from the current price level to the first target we have here on the chart is a 10% move. That's a very nice move. The second move that we have here, the second target Fibonacci level that we have here on the chart is located at 0.10 cents, and that's approximately a 40% move. The third target that we have here on the chart is located at 0.1251, and that's approximately a 70% move. And the last target, the last Fibonacci level we have here on the chart is approximately an 100% move. This is where you double your money. This is the short-term idea that I wanted to show you, the short-term trade, but I want to show you the measured move all the way up to that previous all-time high that's located at $5.50. The approximate measured move from the current levels all the way up here is what? It looks like too much to me. Let me see. I took it too long. Like a 13,000% move. Nevertheless, this move is like a big move. However, Mars has a low cap that has only 4.1 million market cap, has a lot of potential, tremendous potential, and it doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to get there, okay? So it's not impossible. I asked ChatGPT earlier, okay, that with the current price of the token and the current market cap, if this token was to hit $5.50, what would the market cap be? And ChatGPT said that the market cap of Mars would be at 312 million if it was to hit that previous all-time high. So a 312 million market cap is not that of a crazy number, guys. It can easily happen. That's all I had for you today. Let me know, guys, in the comments. Do you think that Mars can pull a move like that during this upcoming bull run as an AI low-cap token? I am going to be posting many more quick technical analysis videos like this in the coming days. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.